Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna make this easy exercise in SolidWorks. And for this we have the next drawing and we'll be following this one. Let's go ahead and do this. First let's open a new SolidWorks document and here let's make plane white. Now we're gonna start with a sketch in the right plane and here let's start with a center line. Make it vertical and now select line and let's make the next sketch. Alright, and now let's mirror this side on this other side. So select them all and select here mirror entities command. Now it's smart dimension, let's define this sketch. First, here will be 45 millimeters. This line here will have 10. And now this one here will have 15. And this one will have 30. This is how it should look. Now go to features, use extruded boss base command. And here instead of blind, we're gonna keep it mid plane. Now here will be 80 millimeters. And press here OK. Now have to open a new sketch in the right plane. And here let's select line and let's make the next sketch. First we'll make a line like this. And then just like this. Back to this point. Select these two lines, make them parallel. Select this one with this one and select here make equal. Every time you want to select two or more lines, points or something else, you have to keep Ctrl press from the keyboard. Alright, now let's go to Smart Dimension and let's define this sketch. First, this line here will have 42.5. And from this point to this line, here will be 125. Now from this line to this edge, here will be 45 minus 8. Alright, and now this line here will have 20. It's kinda looking like a giraffe, but it's okay, it's good. Now go to features and use extruded boss base command. And here will be 40 millimeters and also mid plane. So 40 and press here OK. Alright, now let's select this face and let's open a new sketch. And here we'll select circle. Let's make two of them in this midpoint. One big and one small. The big one, let's select it and let's select this edge and select here make tangent. And the small one will have the diameter 25. So with smart dimension, 25. Now go to features and use extruded boss base command. And here for the, let's select here instead of mid plane blind. For direction 1, the depth will be 8 millimeters. And let's select direction 2 and it will be up to surface. And let's select this face. Or you can select blind and give the dimension 20 millimeters. Press here OK. Now let's cut this extra part inside here. So select this face, open a sketch, convert this face, and we should have this sketch. Now go to features, use Extruded Cut, and here up to next should be good, and press here OK. And now it's gone. Now the next thing and the last thing we'll have to do is to use hole wizard to make 2 holes. So let's go up here to hole wizard. Select the hole type hole. Keep these other settings. The size should be 17 mm in diameter. The end condition up to next. Go to positions, 3D sketch. Let's place 2 of them. And now let's make a center line. So select center line. Let's start it from this midpoint until this one. Make sure that it's black. And now select these 2 points and select here along x-axis. Press OK. And now let's select Smart Dimension to fully define these 2 center points for our holes. First, from this point to this edge, here will be 22.5. From this hole to this one, here will be 50. And now from this point to this center line, here will be 25. Now everything is good. Press OK. And we have our holes. Now this was the tutorial for today. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next one. Don't forget to leave a like if you liked it and a comment with your opinion.